Okay, so here we are again. This time we're going to have a look once the lining has been made, and you'll see as well the roots have been cut, especially the big ones. Just before we put it into the drain, I'm just going to show you. This is the roots we've been cutting it. That's the roots that were sitting inside the drain as well. So we got rid of that, so we can put the lining inside the drain. So here's the laterals here. The roots still sitting a bit not as bad as. Yeah, you got a trace crack here as well. The roots are growing through right here. So you can see where the roots were, just some of here as well. So I'm going a bit fast, but just need to go. Here we go. So we're going to slow down there so you can see as we come closer. Change of color. You can see where it is right here. There's the lining there, and the issue was right here on the left hand side. That's where the opening was, as you can see. It's all nice and clear. Alright, so that's going to be the end of the recording. Alright, so that's basically the after shot.